Hello, my name is TJ Rains, Chief Information Officer for Cardinal Stritch University. Today we'll be talking about a classroom enhancement project that the Office of Information Services is currently kicking off to enrich the student experience. First of all, I'd like to talk about the project approach and the justification. The overall justification for the project is to meet the needs and demands of faculty and students here at Cardinal Stritch University in both the online and face-to-face classroom environments, staying competitive with other area schools in terms of classroom facilities and technology, and to provide a comfortable learning space. Creating a flexible multi-use space is also one of the core criteria that we are using to judge the success of this project. Updating classroom technology and infrastructure at multiple levels, including lecture capture and updated visual display and audio technology. Creating a classroom environment to attract and retain students is one of the key priorities of this project. Project approach. This session is really one example of how we are trying to push for a large amount of engagement between faculty and students. We are shooting to have some focus groups for students and additional faculty focus groups to determine the end design of the classroom environment that we are intending to build. And one approach that we are really taking to heart is designing and building the classroom environment for the future. I had mentioned earlier the need for lecture capture and building into these rooms the ability to capture lectures so that we can use that content for additional purposes such as marketing and for online program enhancement. And also to provide classroom technology training to ensure that all of our faculty and our students in some cases have the knowledge and understanding of how to use the technology built and delivered in the classroom. Classroom refresh plan, we are looking at different opportunities to fund and plan an overall classroom refresh plan similar to what we do with PCs and computing equipment on campus in its current state. We're looking at around a 10-year plan for refreshing all classrooms. And at this point, this is purely just an estimate, but as we refine the plan, the intent is to ensure that we have funding allocated to maintain classrooms in terms of furniture and also in terms of technology that is delivered. Classroom upgrades. Some specific goals regarding technology in the classroom. Standardization. We need to have a consistent equipment set throughout all classrooms on campus and at remote sites. Standardization will help ensure that we are able to train all faculty and students on how to use the equipment to best support the academic and learning environment. Ensuring that we have a user-friendly, easy-to-use set of controls to switch between devices will help in terms of ensuring that we have the ability to train our staff in a very consistent, standardized manner. Improved technology. HD projectors and monitors, lecture capture technology, and webcams will be deployed as necessary based on a room-by-room assessment, utilizing the feedback from departmental faculty and students within that area of study. Infrastructure. Enhanced lighting. We are looking to develop a new infrastructure within each of these classrooms to make use of the latest in lighting technology in order to meet the needs of instruction. Cosmetic upgrades to the flooring, ceiling, wall colors to complement the current look of the university will be deployed as part of the project. This is an overall project that is focused on changing the way our classrooms are built and ensuring that they meet the needs not only cosmetically and technologically, but also meeting the specific needs of our faculty and students. Better placement of technology, visual and audio improvements to enhance the learning experience will be part of the project to ensure that we have a solid visual and audio foundation for multimedia-based education. Furniture will also be replaced as part of this project. Enhanced podiums with touch panel control and sleek appearance will be deployed to each of the classrooms. Movable furniture, easy to move to promote flexible learning environments to allow us to build out multi-use flexible environments for our educational experience for our students. The overall goal is to have flexible classrooms that can be adjusted to the varied styles of instruction. Specific classroom technology that we are evaluating and building out as part of the plan are smartboard flat panel display overlays. In some instances, it's important to have projection systems in place. However, in smaller classrooms, it may be best to actually have an LCD flat panel display for displaying of content within the course curriculum. We have evaluated the smartboard flat panel display overlays, which allow you to have the same functionality that you have within the typical smartboard feature set, but as an overlay over a flat panel display. HD flat panel displays will be used, like I said, as an option for displaying multimedia content. Where applicable, high-resolution widescreen projectors will be deployed. We are looking at short-throw projectors to eliminate shadows when faculty or students are working directly on the smartboard or projection to display specific areas of interest. Going back to flexible classroom layouts, we are evaluating a few different options in terms of furniture to ensure that we have a flexible classroom layout, providing multi-use workspaces. A project team-based approach on your left displays a environment where there are 2 tables and 4 chairs. This can easily be shifted to a large conference facility by moving to a U-shaped focus, and then back to a lecture format. We are evaluating a couple specific chair models. One of these is called the Steelcase Node, with a work surface and one without a work surface. Likewise, you can build a very flexible work environment based upon this Node chair. Here are a few examples of the different configurations out of the box utilizing the Node chair with a work surface. The overall goal is to provide a flexible work environment and a flexible environment for providing high quality education. We want to hear from you. The whole idea behind this presentation is to provide you with an overall look at what we are doing to improve the classroom experience for our faculty and students. If you have any ideas, please feel free to send them to Alex J. Pazuski at ajpezewski@strich.edu.